Hello, everyone. Please welcome to the Miss Grand 2020. The candidates answer a question on handling the COVID-19 crisis. The top 5 candidates of Miss Grand International 2020 had another opportunity to flex their wit at the question and answer segment during the coronation night. Each of the candidates answered the same question: with the current COVID-19 situation, what would you choose between shutting down the country for the safety of the people, knowing that the country and its economy will be deeply affected, or would you open up the country to keep the economy running, taking the risk of COVID-19 infections and the consequences? Here are their responses. Please welcome to the first candidate is Ibina Appia from the United States of America.
Hello everyone, and thank for your question. Now I have got to my answer. I believe in proper solutions. Whenever there's a problem, I believe that we have to sit down and analyze. I will shut down the country because I believe that people come first. The people, my people. If I was the governor, if I was president of the country, I will put my people first. I will do what's right for my people, and by shutting down the country, that will give me the proper time to analyze what is going on and provide for my people. So I will shut down the country. That's all for my answer, and thank you everyone.
Thank you, Ibina. And then please welcome to the second candidate is Samantha Bernardo from Philippines.
Hello everyone, and thank for your question. Now I have got to my answer. I will always choose the people, because without its people, a country will never be a country. We will never be Philippines without Filipinos, you will never be Thailand without Thai. So it is a must that we should take care of our people first. I stand here for love and peace and unity, because there will always be a solution no matter what our problems in this life. And I think if we come together as people, as one united world, then we can have a better place to live in. I hope after this pandemic COVID-19 happened, we can be a better citizens. That's all for my answer, and thank you everyone.
Thank you, Samantha. And then please welcome to the third candidate is Luana from Brazil.
Hello everyone, and thank for your question. I have got to my answer. I know that to run our society, we need economy, but we cannot go anywhere without health. That is why I decided to study medicine, so it's my duty to defend people's health. So of course, I would choose to stay home. And then once we control this pandemic, we'll be able to work again and get money again and raise our business again. So as I always say, unintelligible is the answer, is the key for everything. If we stay together, if we help each other, we will be able to have our business back. But health, we cannot just have it this easy. So take care of yours, because it's the best gift God gave to us. That's all for my answer. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Lala. And then please welcome to the fourth candidate is Karishma from Indonesia.
Hello everyone, and thank for your question. And now I have got to my answer. I would rather to close the country, because I believe we have to focus on our people and we have to organize everything more easily. And using this platform as a Miss Grand International, I believe that we can spread the positivity. Even if we cannot go outside, we can still touch life of each other, and I am ready to work with Miss Grand International organization. That's all for my answer. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Aura. And now please welcome to the last candidate is Ivana, Bachelor from Guatemala.
Hello everyone, and thank for your question. And I have got to my answer. Nothing in this world has more value than a human life. Without hesitation, I would choose to shut down the country. Without its people, the economy is useless. If we come together and care for one another, and we work hard, nothing can ever stop us, not a pandemic, not a war, nothing. Because us humans, together, are resilient. That's all for my answer. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Ivana. Now all candidates have answered the question already, so it's useful for you to vote for her to be the Miss Grand 2020. Thank all candidates and thank everyone. The show has come up to the end. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.